What's up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel. Hope you're all doing well. In today's video, we'll discuss the best mechanical tool set of 2023. All the product links are given in the description below, so without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Dewalt DWMT72165. This 204-piece comprehensive set of tools is designed for mechanics and professionals in the automotive industry. It includes a variety of sockets, wrenches, pliers, and other hand tools in 1/4 and 3/8 inch and 1/2 drive, both metric and SAE measurements. The set comes in a durable carrying case for easy storage and transport. This set is excellent for both professionals and do-it-yourself enthusiasts. The sockets in the tool set include virtually any common size and are clearly marked so that you can easily find what you need when you need it. The kit consists of 1/4 inches, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch SAE and metric socket and ratchet extensions, universal joints, torx bits, hex bits, combination wrenches, and hex keys, so whatever you need, chances are you'll find it. The body of the ratchets is slim for difficult to reach places and is designed for one-hand operation with quick socket changes. The sockets have knurled rings around the edges to reduce the chances of annoying slips as you work. Stanley STMT73795. This toolkit is a 210-piece set that includes various hand tools for mechanics and professionals in the automotive industry. The set includes sockets, wrenches, pliers, and other hand tools in both metric and SAE measurements in 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive. All the tools are forged from high-strength steel and are ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip. Many of the tools are also designed for quick use. The ratchets can easily switch between different sockets and extensions and reverse direction with a simple thumb flick. Everything is contained in a durable, easy-to-carry case. A good starter mechanic tool set should offer you plenty of variety and flexibility to tackle any number of projects. Since small parts come in both SAE and metric measurements, it doesn't hurt to have an assortment of both types of tools. DEKOPRO. This includes a wide range of tools like wire strippers, spring clamps, hex wrench, a saw, plier, drivers, deep sockets, and adapters. This mixed tool set covers most jobs in your home or business with ease. Forged from high-quality steel with a polished chrome finish, these tools are durable, made to last, and meet ANSI requirements as well. The carrying case is very lightweight at just 13 pounds and is small enough to fit under the seats of your car. Many customers attest to these tools' high-quality material, and even one buyer said this tool is great as an all-purpose house helper. The qualities of the tools are very durable for the price. The values for what you get is really worth this purchase. Craftsman 50-230. This 230-piece mechanic tool set is a comprehensive set of tools designed for mechanics and professionals in the automotive industry. The set includes a variety of sockets, wrenches, pliers, and other hand tools in both metric and SAE measurements in 1/4, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drive. A practical homeowner that enjoys fixing their own cars or doing a light home renovation will appreciate the small, lightweight, and easy-to-use SAE Craftsman tool set, which provides a full lifetime warranty as well. Inside this kit, you will find a fiberglass hammer, socket sets, measuring tape, pliers, screwdrivers, 1/2 inch sockets, a box cutter, Allen wrenches, and a 1/4 inch ratchet. 8 hex keys sets are all organized in a convenient plastic case that can easily fit inside any drawer. It also is a good set for a small home. DURATECH. This 121-piece mechanic tool set is a comprehensive set of tools designed for mechanics and professionals in the automotive industry. The set includes various SAE metric sockets, a 72-tooth drive ratchet, a 40-in-1 magnetic screwdriver, and hex keys. The set comes in a durable carrying toolbox for easy storage and transport. The tools are constructed with alloy steel for durability and long-lasting use. The drive ratchet has a low-profile design that allows access to tight spaces. The magnetic screwdriver set is perfect for fastening and unfastening various screws. This set is excellent for professionals and do-it-yourself enthusiasts who need a wide range of automotive repair and maintenance tools. REXBETI. This 219-piece premium toolkit is a comprehensive set of tools designed for professionals and do-it-yourself enthusiasts. The set includes various hand tools such as socket wrenches, pliers, screwdrivers, and other tools you would need for home repairs and maintenance. The set comes in a durable 16-inch tool bag with 19 pockets and a large mouth opening, which makes it easy to find and organize your tools. The tools are constructed with high-quality steel for durability and long-lasting use. This set is great for anyone who needs a wide range of home repair and maintenance tools. It also has a 16-inch tool bag designed to carry small to medium-sized hand tools and other small accessories. It is constructed with durable fabric to withstand your tool's load. The bag features a wide opening design for you to easily store, organize, and take out your tools. You will enjoy a complete variety of tools you can use for this do-it-yourself project. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of our new videos.